to another vlog. This is gonna be a little weekend in my life. I'm actually already out and about this morning. I'm headed downtown for a 437 event. If you guys don't know, that's a luxury swimwear brand that was founded in Toronto. They're pretty popular now, I feel like, though. I'm sorry if there's traffic. If you can hear the traffic, there's a highway literally right there before the bus comes and picks me up. But yeah, I'm excited they invited me to come shop their warehouse archival sale before it opens to the public. So I'm excited to bring you guys along for that. But otherwise, I have a feeling this is gonna be a little bit of a packed weekend in my life, and like, it's gonna be a fun weekend. But let me give you guys a little outfit of the day. I'm just wearing this bodysuit from Zara, jeans from Garage, Air Forces, and then I have my little Peta and Jane bag. Okay, so we just got here. See me a tote bag. We're shopping the sale just a little bit early before it opens. I'm very excited. They said I was the first one here, so it's kind of like they're still in setup mode, which is really cool. But we're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. Okay, so you guys know I'm such a sweats girl, and these sweats are literally to die for. They have the blue set and then the mocha set as well, which I'll probably end up grabbing both because they're both just stunning. So we got this, we didn't end up taking, but that's okay. We will, we got a blue set and then a white with the towel skirt, and then the espresso sweat set. I'm so excited for this. And then the espresso tote bag. Oh, so stunning. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. Alright, I just got home from the little 437 warehouse sale. Before we get into the try-on, which of course I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys everything that I picked up. I wanted to mention how freaking sweet the team was. Like, all the girls working at the 437 sale were absolutely amazing, so sweet, literally helping me pick out everything, telling me which pieces were their favorite. Like, the team was so sweet. Like, I hope that I can have a team like that for Cerise Dawn one day, but let's get to the try on. First up, I got this cutie little ribbed top, and I love that it can be worn as either a halter or you can tie it around back and wear it as a bandeau. Then we have this little white matching towel skirt, and underneath I have on the Stella bottoms in white to match. But literally so cute and so girly. Like, I feel like this is simple enough for me, but still like kind of girly and cute. Next we have the Luna bottoms and Stella top in this stunning baby blue color, and literally I've been dying to get my hands on some of the Daydream collection because it's just so cute. I love this style of bathing suit top. I think it's so flattering, and the bottoms have like so much detail going on. Lastly, we have what is going to be my literal essential this fall, is the Swim Club sweatsuit in espresso. So it's this super deep chocolatey brown color, has the 437 writing here, the little 437 print down there. Oh, I am so in love with this. The color, the coziness. It's not like regular sweatsuit material, which is really interesting, but still super cozy, and definitely will be rocking this and styling the pieces so many different ways this fall because I am ready for brown, I am ready for fall, I am just ready for cooler weather. I thrive in the fall, literally my favorite season. So here we are. Alright, so before lunch, I'm just getting a little bit of work done, and you guys are always asking me about how I plan my feed, how I just plan and organize my content, so I thought I'd share a little bit of the behind the scenes of work today. I actually currently use an app called Later, and I am partnering with Later today, but I use it to organize my feed and sometimes schedule posts, especially with the school year. Like, things get really busy, so sometimes I'm in class when I want to post, and I use it to schedule some posts for me, so let
let me show you guys the back end of it. This is just what the back end looks like. I'm currently on the mobile version. Obviously, there's also an app, which I do use as well, but I love how you can see your little feed, and this is obviously how I plan out my feed, and then you have all of your other photos that you upload that you want to add into your feed here. And it's literally so easy. You just drag and drop your photos into your feed, and then you can play around with it from here, move them around, decide kind of how you want to do it. And I like keeping it pretty minimal. Like, I try and keep the same color palette, and then you just click save changes up there at the top, and later we'll actually schedule your posts for you, which is really nice. It kind of just automatically puts in a time. But if I head over here to my calendar, what I like to do is just, you can drag them to whatever time you personally want to upload at, and this little calendar setup here, and it gives you the dates at the top, the times along the side, and you can kind of drag it to whenever you want, different days, different times, whenever you want to schedule your post. And so I've been loving using this for my feed organization. I find it really helpful to visually see how the posts are going to look in my feed. And of course, I got you guys a discount code, so it's just Vanessa21, and you guys get a free month of the growth plan, which is the plan that I currently have and I've been using. So go ahead and check out later. All the links and code will be in the description box. But I'm gonna work a little bit now before I have some lunch.
Can't nobody love you like I do, and can't nobody hate you like me too. Always turning nothing into something.
So this is today's little lunch situation. I just did a kale salad with cucumber, orange pepper, avocado, peaches, and then this little plant-based burger on the top with a tahini dressing that I drizzled all over it. So yeah, this is lunch for today. Plan for the rest of the afternoon is just to do a little bit of laptop work, do a little bit of editing. I have some videos that I want to get done for this upcoming week. And then I'll probably head to the gym at some point, maybe around 2, 3 o'clock. I'll take you guys with me, you already know. But otherwise, the rest of the day is pretty chill. Like, I feel like if I hadn't gone out this morning, I probably would have had just a pretty chill Saturday. I find my weekends can either be super chill, just kind of like a little bit of YouTube work, a little bit of social media work here and there, or like they're super jam-packed. And this is an interesting weekend where it's a little bit of a mix of both, which honestly I'm kind of liking. I like the fact that I went out this morning and then I was home around like 1 p.m. and I still have the rest of the afternoon to kind of get work done and chill and go to the gym.
Always turning nothing into something I do, when it's always you. But even when I leave, I fall right back into gear. Then winter comes right back around. We're always so up and down, down. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. It's cold. I could stay, but the seasons are changing. I'm gone.
Cold-blooded, flooding my whole heart with your loving. Find me in the thick of it, swimming towards something that I wanted for so long. Never ever I needed you this much, but some part of me thinks you've given up on us. Let's call a spade, baby. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. It's cold. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing.
Happy Sunday, everybody. We are downtown again this morning. Al and I are heading to a little coffee shop just to catch up on some schoolwork and like grab lunch. Otherwise, I think we're going to Kensington Market today. That's just a nice chill day. Alright babes, I just got home from being downtown for the kind of day. It's like mid-afternoon now, like 4 p.m.-ish. But Alan and I ended up going out for lunch at this really cute little cafe, and then ended up studying the library for a bit, going to get bubble tea, and then we walked around Kensington with our friends for a little bit. So that was kind of all today was. I probably am going to do some schoolwork now, get some ish done, because I had a little bit of a busy weekend. I know this was a little bit of a shorter vlog, a shorter weekend in my life, but I still wanted to vlog for you guys because there was some exciting things going on. Like, I did stuff today, went to the 437 warehouse sale yesterday, so there were still some things going on, so I wanted to vlog, but I'm sorry it's a shorter weekend vlog. If you guys have any video requests or things you want to see in the vlogs, or just videos that you want to see from me, comment them down below. I love hearing your video requests and what you want to see. I keep a list of things you guys want to see in the vlogs and video requests that you have, because as much as I love vlogging, I love doing other videos as well. So it's a good little mix, if you're newer here on my channel, of vlogs and fitness videos and fashion videos, and it's a little spice of everything, because this channel is really just the epitome of me, and I share everything. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. I have some exciting videos coming up, so stay tuned, and I love you all so much. Bye!